Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news from the world of AI and machine learning. Microsoft Azure had just introduced OpenAI's newest reasoning model, Series O1. Let's dive in and see what makes these models so groundbreaking. The O1 series, which includes O1 Preview and O1 Mini models, is now accessible in Azure AI Studio and GitHub models. These models are designed to excel in complex coding, math reasoning, brainstorming, and comparative analysis. But what does that mean for developers and enterprises? Let's check it out. First up, complex code generation. The O1 models are capable of generating algorithms and handling advanced coding tasks. This means developers can now solve intricate problems faster and more efficiently. Next, advanced problem solving, whether you are brainstorming new ideas or tackling multifaceted issues, the O1 models are perfect for comprehensive sessions that require deep reasoning and analysis. The O1 models also sign in complex document comparison. They can analyze contracts, case files, or legal documents to discern subtle differences, making them ideal for legal professionals and analysts. And let's not forget instructions follow and workflows management. The O1 models are particularly adept at handling workflows that require shorter context, streamlining processes, and improving efficiency. Early adopters have already shared their insights and excitement about these models. GitHub Copilot, for example, has been testing the O1 models and has seen promising results in the code analysis and optimization. Harvey, a leader in generative AI for professional services, is integrating its platform with the Azure OpenAI service. They also believe O1 marks a step change in the legal reasoning, enabling more ambitious workflow and collaborative platforms. Cognition and Applied AI Labs is excited to integrate the new models into Davin's, the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. They see O1 as a significant advancement in the reasoning models, improving Davin's ability to solve complex coding tasks. These examples highlight just a few of the way the O1 series can bring advanced reasoning and analytical capabilities to your project. And with the safety as the top priority, the O1 models comes with on by default content safety feature at no additional cost. So what are you waiting for? Explore the new O1 models on Microsoft Azure and take your AI projects to the next level. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on the latest AI and technology. Thanks for watching.